When you get finished here, please go check out our TikTok and Instagram. And while you're there, please give us a follow. Thank you. Hi, everybody. Devin here from Let's Head Out. Last weekend, we went to the National Cornbread Festival in South Pittsburg, Tennessee. We just did a little walk around. I'm not really sure how long the video is going to be, but yeah, let's head out. So we're going to walk down this way, just kind of do a little walk around and show some of the vendors.
Come on, y'all, we got to get that back.
And so yeah, some people here playing harp music. And they got all the food booths down this way. So we have pretzels and more food, and on down here, there's a fair, so we're gonna go check that out. This right here, and these little cars that go upside down, and the tornado over here. And then a bunch of carnival games on both sides. And they got the Sizzler here. And a couple more little things over here. So we are back at the vendor area. So it goes straight down here, and then it goes off on both sides for a couple of roads. So we're just going to kind of pan back and forth, I guess, till we get to the end. We'll walk down here to the end of here, make a U-turn. Alright, so we're going to make a U-turn right here. Turn. Candied jalapenos. Actually don't sound too bad. Actually don't sound too bad. got a corncob man over here. Mom got a better video of him. I'll insert it into the video. So we're gonna walk. Let's go walk down this way.
Go for it, buddy. Hey, you gonna ride in the wagon?
So I changed my mind. We're gonna go down this way and then work our way back. So, lady here blowing some bubbles. Alright, so we're just gonna keep walking this way. Got some flower arrangements and jewelry here. Tumblers. And I got some leather bags. Just a good variety of a bunch of stuff. It's like hummingbird feeders right there. Pork rinds, beef jerky, welcome signs. Got some lemonade. Got a vendor down this way. Watch your noggin.
I know. That's gotta be painful.
He's cleared out. We got lavender and jewelry. We got some jewelry over here. And our friends over here. Heartfelt treasures. And so yeah. There's a blacksmith there. And then a person on the end selling wind chimes. So I guess we're gonna head back down this way and finish up our little walk. Got some face painting, and there's a couple of vendors here. We'll go ahead and catch this, and I think most of all that is it's like sponsored people with like businesses and stuff like that. So we probably won't walk down there unless you want to go get a free lottery ticket. I think they're giving out lottery tickets. So I got some more leather goods and some hair and coffee and chairs and honey and all that good stuff. So we're going to just work our way on around here and work back this side, and I think that'll be just about all of it.
Yeah, it will be.
We have a little kids area here with inflatables. So yeah. Some birdhouses on this side. Shirts and signs. Some artwork and metal art and some wood laser. And antique postal banks and some soap. Some soap and candles and looks like cut open golf balls. That's pretty cool. And some seasoning and wreaths. And like crocheted, what do you call those? Shawls. All right, so we have some pocketbooks and cookies, and we have soap and some candy, botanical candy, magnesium cream, olive oil stuff, and shotgun shell necklaces and stuff like that. So yeah, I think that's about it. Just a little quick walk around of the National Cornbread Festival. Alright, so that was the video. Thank you for watching. They also had bands there playing. I tried to stay as far away from the bands as possible, because I can't use most of the music because of copyright issues and stuff like that. But they did have bands there. They did have a couple of competitions. But I think most of that went on Saturday, and I was there on Sunday. It was a lot of fun. There was the thing called Cornbread Alley. I didn't know at the time, but you can pay $8, and there are people there, and they have cornbread, and they give you a sample piece of each one of them. We talked to somebody, and they said that they actually give you a pretty good plate full of cornbread to try. When we go back next year, I will definitely do that next year and put that on the video. But yeah, all in all, it was a good day. It was a good festival. We had a lot of fun. And that wraps this video up. Thank you for watching. If you're watching our videos and haven't subscribed, please subscribe. With that and watching other videos are the best two ways for me to ask you to help support our channel. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. It really means a lot to my family and I, and to the future of our channel. If you'd like to help us monetarily, there are a couple options in the description box below the video. One of those is Buy Me a Coffee. And while you're in the description box, don't forget to check out the link for the Epic water filters. And don't forget to use code Let's Head Out 15 to save 15% off your purchase. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Please don't forget to ring the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. And please don't forget to share. That wraps this video up. So until next time, let's head out together. See ya!